Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class we want to look at corrections to matrix method of solving simultaneous equation. So if you look at this question, you notice that this is simultaneous equation. So how do I know that it's simultaneous? If I want to expand this, if you want to solve this, the first matrix here is multiplying the second matrix and the answer is equal to minus 1 over and 8. So if you want to expand it, you're going to have 2 times x, that will be 2x, all right, plus then minus 3 times y, that will be minus 3y. Then it will be equal to minus 1. Then the other one will be minus x, right, plus what, 4y equals to what, 8. So when you have simultaneous equation like this, so you can write it in this form. Just pick the numbers beside the variable, right? So that is 2. So this form the first element. This will form the first row, first column, first row. So that the next one will be minus 1. This will be what, minus 3 and 4. Then the x and y will be the second column matrix that we have beside it. Then the answer will also form the column what, matrix. So when you have it like this, we don't want to use normal simultaneous equation method to solve this. We want to use matrix to solve it. So what we are expected to do here is to take this matrix to the other side. So therefore, we're going to have the column matrix left, all right? Then this one that is here will then become what, inverse. So it will become inverse minus 1, then 4. So we'll do what, inverse, all right? Then multiply by what, minus 1 and what, 8. So meaning that we find the inverse of this, of the first matrix that we have here. We find the inverse, and we've learned how to find inverse of a matrix. And inverse of a matrix is, so first of all, find the determinant of this. Determinant will be what, 2 times 4, that is 8, minus 1 times minus 3, that's equal to minus 3. So that's equal to what, 5. So for the inverse now is going to be 1 all over 5. Then we're going to interchange this. This will become 4. This is minus will turn to plus. This minus will also turn to what, to plus. Then these two will come in, and then we have this. So we have this, then multiplied by minus 1 and then 8. So we first of all multiply first before we have 1 all over to be beside it. So 4 times minus 1, that's minus 4, plus 24. All right, that is minus 4 times 1, that is minus 4, plus 3 times 8, that's 24. Then 1 times 1 is minus 1. Then 2 times 8 is of plus 16. So we have this. So which means we're going to have 1 all over 5 into 20. Then this is to what, 15. So when you have it, that's 20 over 5 will give us what, 4. 15 over 5 will give us what, 3. So which means x is equal to 4. Then y equals to what, 3. But the question asks us to find x plus y. That means 3 plus what, 4, and that gives us what, 7. So the answer is equal to 7. That's option C, so which is this here. I hope this is very clear. So that is that, on how to make use of this. Then for second, then this method is for 2 by 2 matrix, all right? So we're only looking at 2 by 2 matrix in this level. So the second question we have here is still the same thing. It looks like the same thing. So the same thing, we're going to find the inverse of this. To find the inverse of this, we have the determinant, which is going to be 6 minus 3. So that gives us 9. So that's going to be 1 all over 9 into, we interchange this, 3, 2. Then this will be minus 1, 3. Then multiply by 1 all over 1, 2. So we then have 1 over 9. It's so easy when you know it. So 3 times 1 is going to be 3. All right. Plus 3 times, so that's going to be 6. All right. Then minus 1 times 1 is going to be minus 1. 2 times 2 is going to be what? Plus 4. So we're going to have, that's going to be 9 and a 3. Then 1 all over 9. So 9 divided by 9 will give us 1. Then 3 divided by 9 will give us 1 over 3. Is that clear? So That means the x equals to 1 and the y equals to 1 over 3. So that is option C as well again, which is this. I hope I'm making sense. Sorry. I hope I'm making sense. All right. So move to the last question here. So almost the same thing. You see. So the same thing will happen here as well. So we're going to have, we find the inverse of this, multiply by this. So that's going to be, the inverse of this will be 3. Determinant will be 3 minus 0. So determinant is 3. So therefore we're going to have 1 over 3 into 1, 3 minus 3, 0. So multiply by minus 6 minus 10. I hope I'm making sense. So this will give us 1 over 3. So 1 times minus 6 will give us minus 6. Plus 0 times 10 is 0. Is that clear? Then minus 3 times minus 6. That's going to be 18. Plus 3 times 10. That's going to be minus 30. Minus 30. I hope that is clear. All right. So in this case, we're going to have 1 all over 3 into minus 6. Then this will be, this is going to give us 12. Minus 12. This is going to be minus 12. So that means we have, so minus 6 times divided by 3 will give us minus 2. And minus 12 divided by 3 gives us minus 4. So the answer equals to minus 2 minus 4. That's D, option D. So that is that on this. I hope this is very clear to you. So that is the end of this video. So we're going to continue our next class. Bye for now.